Hello everyone, welcome back to another video tutorial which is going to cover the intellectual property right. To understand the intellectual property right, I have divided this topic into four parts. First part is what is intellectual property and why it is important. Second part is going to cover the various mechanisms that we have to protect this intellectual property. So total we have 8 mechanisms. From that 8 mechanisms, we are going to discuss about the one mechanism, that is nothing but the patent. So next part is going to cover the history and evaluation of patent law. And finally we are going to discuss about the patent classification, patent application and patent procedure. To complete this topic, it will take 20 minutes. So be with me for another 20 minutes.
Let us start with the presentation. Firstly, we are going to discuss what is intellectual property right and why it is important. Intellectual property is the product or creation of the mind. It is different from other properties in terms that it is intangible. Hence, it needs some different way for its protection. Intangible property, that is the result of creativity such as patents, copyrights, trademarks, geographical indications, trade secrets, industrial designs, mask protection, and new plant varieties. In other terms, intellectual property is the body of law developed to protect the creative people who have disclosed their invention for the benefit of mankind. This protects their invention from being copied or imitated without their consent.
Let me tell you the story that will help to understand why IPR is important. The story about two students studying M.Pharm. Rahul and Ranbir were two M.Pharm students working in the area of natural products in a leading research institute. Rahul had done a course on IPR conducted by WIPO and had some basic knowledge of IPR. Ranbir, on the other hand, had absolutely no knowledge of IPR. When they started their research work, both got very good labs and guides. There were no problem of funds. The labs in case of both researchers were very well equipped. Rahul interacted with his guide and requested permission to suggest a research project. He carried out a thorough search of patent database in addition to literature and then proposed a research project. Ranbir also designed a research project but based on work being carried out already in the lab and as suggested by his senior. Subsequently, both submitted their thesis and appeared for placements. Rahul easily got placement with a leading company and also had 4 offers from other companies. Ranbir found it very difficult to get placed. Both had worked under identical conditions, worked hard, honestly. Then what happened? The only difference was in choice of research projects. While Rahul was able to identify a hot project based on patent search, that is nothing but the knowledge of intellectual property rights, and solved an industrial problem. Ranveer had no idea what was important for the industry. Hence, as a researcher, we must aware of intellectual property rights.
Second part of our presentation is various mechanisms that protect our intellectual property. Starting with the first mechanism, that is nothing but patent. A patent is a grant from government which confers on guaranteed for limited period of time the exclusive privilege of making, selling and using the invention for which a patent has been granted. The main concept, novelty and utility, is important for the patents. Patent gives rights of monopoly for specific period, that is for 20 years. In order to patentable, an invention must pass 4 tests. The invention must fall into one of the 5 statutory classes: processes, machines, article of manufacture, manufacturer's composition of matter, and new use of any one of the above. Principles of 3I: innovativeness, that is nothing but novelty; inventive step, that is nothing but non-obviousness; and industrial applicable, that is nothing but usefulness. So these 3 principles and one above statutory class that should be fulfilled by our invention to get patentable. Next mechanism, that is trademark. A trademark is a distinctive sign which identifies certain goods or services as those produced or provided by a specific person or enterprise. It may be one or combination of words, letters and numbers. Also consist of drawings, symbols, three-dimensional signs or colors used as a distinguishing feature. It provides to the owner of the mark by ensuring the exclusive rights to use it to identify goods or services or to authorize others to use it, and that is for the term of 10 years and it can be renewed. Next mechanism, industrial design. Design as per Indian Act means the features of shape, configuration, pattern, ornaments or composition of lines or colors applied to any article whether in 2 or 3 dimension or in both form by any industrial processes or means, whether manual, mechanical or chemical, separate or combined, which in the finished article appeals to and are judged solely by the eye, but it does not include any mode or principle of construction. Duration of the registration of a design is 15 years. Initially right granted for 10 years and can be extended by another 5 years. Next mechanism, geographical indication. Geographical indication and appellations of origin are signs used on goods that have a specific geographical origin and possesses qualities, a reputation or characteristic that are essentially attributable to that place of origin. Most commonly, a geographical indication includes the name of the place of the origin of the goods. Term of GI protection for a period of 10 years but may be renewed from time to time for an unlimited time. Some of the examples from India, we have Basmati rice, Coorg orange, Darjeeling tea, Alfonso mango, Kolhapuri chappal, Tirupati laddus. This Darjeeling tea becomes the first GI tagged product in India. From the world, GI tags we have Canadian whiskey, Swiss watches, Florida orange and champagne. Next mechanism, copyright. Copyrights are a set of exclusive rights granted by law to the creators and producers of forms of creative expression such as literary, musical and cinematographic work. Term for protection is author's life plus 60 years. Next mechanism we have trade secret. Trade secret refers to proprietary information having commercial application and value. Most famous trade secret are given here. And for trade secret, there is no limit on its rights duration. We can say no expiry. Next, we have plant breeds right. These are legal rights granted by the government for protection of plant varieties, rights of farmers and plant breeds. Term 15 years for annual crop, 18 years for trees and vines, renewal after 6 and 9 years respectively. Next mechanism we have layout designs and integrated circuits. Layout designs for integrated circuit refers to the specific manner in which transistors and other circuitry elements of an integrated circuit are laid out in a semiconductor integrated circuit. Lead wires connecting such element is nothing but the layout design and integrated circuit, and that is for the specifically 10 years. Moving to the next point, that is nothing but history and evolution of patent law. The origin of patent considered to have evolved in Italy in 1474 when Republic of Venice issued a patent for a period of 10 years. The first Italian patent was actually awarded by the Republic of Florence in 1421. In France, King Henry introduced the concept of publishing the invention with its complete specification in the year 1555. The first patent law in India was passed about 164 years back, which received the assent of the Government General on 28 February 1856, 1 year before the First War of Indian Independence in 1857. In 1858, the law becomes the Act 6 of 1856 on protection of inventions based on the British Patent Law of 1852. In 1859, the Act 6 was modified as Act 15. Patent monopolies called exclusive privilege, making, selling and using invention in India and authorizing others to do so for 14 years from date of filing specification. In 1872, the Patents and Design Protection Act was enacted. In 1883, the Protection of Invention Act was enacted. In 1888, the Act was consolidated as the Invention and Designs Act. In 1911, the Indian Patent and Design Act was enacted. The Patents Act came into force on 20th April 1972. The Patents Amendment Act 1999 comes into force on 26th March. The Patents Amendment Act 2002 came into force from 20th May 2003. The Patents Amendment Act 2005 effective from 1st January 2005. This is the history and evolution of patent law. Where we can file our patent? For that we have Patent Registry Office. That is in the Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai, Calcutta. Calcutta is the head office. For the trademark registration, we can go to the Mumbai, Calcutta, Delhi, Chennai and Ahmedabad office. For the geographical indication registration, we can go to the Chennai office. And for the design office, we go to the Calcutta. Next point is classification of patents in India. The patent system in India is governed by the Patent Act 1970 and Patents Rule 1972, which becomes effective from 20th April 1970. Here I have listed types of patents awarded in India. Types of patent, that is nothing but product patent, process patent and design patent. Product patent, it can be a substance, composition of matter, devices. Process patent, it can be a manufacturing process, method of execution and usefulness. Design patent, design and shape of article like machine, bottles, vehicles, etc. Next classification is classification of patents by WIPO. According to WIPO, they have classified patent into utility patents, design patent and plant patent. Next point, we have types of patent applications. Total we have 6 types of patent application. First type is ordinary application. It is a simple application for patent without any priority claim and not being conventional or national based application. It can be a provisional or complete specification at the time of filing. Second type we have conventional application. When an applicant files a patent application claiming a priority date based on the same or substantially similar application filed in one or more of the conventional countries. It is called a conventional application. Next we have PCT international application. The Patent Cooperation Treaty or PCT is an international agreement for filing patent applications. However, there is nothing called as a world patent. Next application, that is fourth, national phase application under PCT. The PCT national phase must follow the international phase. The applicant must individually enter into the national phase, that is, file a national phase application in each country he wishes to enter. Fifth application, that is patent of addition. Patent of addition is an application made for a patent in respect of any improvement or modification of an invention described or disclosed in the complete specification already applied for or has a patent. Last application, divisional application. A divisional application is one which has been divided from an existing application. Last point of our presentation is patent grant procedure. To file a patent, you need to carry form number 1, form number 2, form number 3 and form number 5. In form number 1, you have to fill the details of applicant and inventor. In form number 2, you have to fill the complete details of your invention. In form number 3, you have to give the statement and undertaking. In form number 5, you have to give the declaration as to inventorship. With these forms, you can submit your application to the patent office, and your patent application, it will be published after 18 months. If you want, it can be published earlier by paying the nominal fee. After publication, you may receive the pre-grant opposition from any person who is interested in your invention. Then you have to request for the examination. You will receive the examination report, and after that it will be taken decision whether that a patent is granted or refused. After granting, it will be published. After publication of granted patent, you may receive the post-grant opposition, and after post-grant opposition and final decision will be taken by the controller. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope that you are little clear about intellectual property right.